Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make colorful cotton candy step by step. Start by setting the machine on a stable surface and preheating it to manufacturer temperature settings, then measure sugar and add a few drops of food color per flavor and mix until evenly tinted, and finally prepare cones and keep a spatula handy for shaping fluffy clouds as you spin. Warm and friendly tip time. Pick gel colors for vivid cotton candy and work in tiny batches to avoid waste and uneven shades. Start with 1 tablespoon of sugar per test, stir thoroughly, and taste a pinch to confirm flavor balance. Keep separate spoons and bowls and clean between mixes so each cone stays pure. These small steps make a big difference when you want photogenic, consistent results for parties or treats. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to keep these tutorials coming. Quick recommendation. A delightful book called The Simple Path to Wealth can shift how you think about saving and choices, and it pairs nicely with small business ideas like selling cotton candy at events. Check the description for the link and other deals. Enjoy the read, and now let's get back to the video. Let me walk you through the spinning rhythm. Begin with a slow spiral to catch the first threads, then angle the cone and gently roll it to collect more strands into a neat mound. Keep your wrist relaxed and use short, controlled movements so the floss layers evenly. If a section is thin, tap the cone lightly and add a few quick rotations to thicken it. Practice makes the most photogenic and fluffy results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.